Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu narrates that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said about Ka'b bin Ashraf, "Who will take his responsibility? Who will kill him? For he has pained Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." So Hazrat Muhammad bin Maslama submitted, "I will perform this task." Thus he went to him and expressed his intention to take 1 or 2 wasaqs, 240 or 480 kg of grain from him. He said, "Pawn your women." He said, "Why should we pledge our women when you are the prettiest people of Arabia? Then mortgage your sons." He said, "How should we pledge our sons, for everyone will revile us that we have pledged our sons for a couple of wasaqs of grain. It will be a matter of supreme ignominy. We will pledge our weapons." So he promised to come back. When he came, he slew him and then went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and stated the whole story. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2510.